If you've been hearing the buzz about the last network and wondering if it's the next big money-making opportunity or just another risky crypto play, then you'll want to pay close attention because this review dives into the truth behind the hype. On the surface, the last network presents itself as a cutting-edge crypto-based MLM platform, but when you take a closer look, the cracks start showing very quickly. The company doesn't actually have any real products or services to offer. There's nothing tangible being sold to outside customers, which is the first big red flag. Instead, the entire business model revolves around recruitment and the promise of financial returns, with claims of a fixed 4% monthly payout that sounds appealing at first but is completely unrealistic in the real investment world. Anytime you see guaranteed profits in crypto or any investment space, it's a major warning sign because markets simply don't work that way. Digging deeper, the last network has links to past failed ventures and Ponzi-style schemes, meaning there's a pattern of projects collapsing once recruitment slows down and new money stops coming in. This isn't just about bad business, it's about risk to investors. Because when the structure relies solely on bringing in fresh recruits rather than generating genuine value, it's only a matter of time before it falls apart. The income plan makes it clear that the majority of earnings come from signing up new members rather than real-world activity, which mirrors the pyramid structure regulators often target. And speaking of regulators, the model also appears to cross into securities law violations, since they are essentially offering investment contracts without proper registration or oversight. This makes the whole thing even riskier because one regulatory crackdown could freeze accounts and wipe out member funds overnight. The last network markets itself with the excitement of crypto, but behind the shiny branding, it looks and operates like the classic Ponzi setups we've seen countless times before: promises of steady returns, no genuine products, and reliance on constant recruitment. Whether or not you choose to get involved, it's important to see past the glossy claims and understand the risks, because history shows these kinds of ventures don't end well for the majority of participants, especially those who join later. In the end, the real question isn't whether the last network can pay out now, but how long it can keep up the illusion before it collapses, leaving investors scrambling.